Fullstro Product Management. Fullstro's product management module enables efficient organization and monitoring of products, brands, and manufacturers. This tutorial covers key functionalities, including listing products, creating new entries, editing, deleting, managing barcodes, bulk import products, bulk export products, and tracking low stock products. Navigate to the Product Management section from the dashboard. The product listing page displays all your products in a table with columns like product name, category, brand, e-commerce channel like WooCommerce, Shopify, Amazon, Lazada, stock status, actions, and many more. You can search products by name, SKU, barcode, category, brand, manufacturer, or e-commerce channel. And you can sync products from your connected e-commerce channel. Add new product. Click the Add New button. Fill in the following details: product name, category, brand, manufacturer, weight unit, and dimension details from the Basic Info tab. If your product is a variation or batch product, then go to the Variation tab and add your variation or batch info. To add media info, click on the Media tab, then add your product thumbnail, gallery images, and product video link. To add your product policies or rules, go to the Policies/Rules tab and input your rules like minimum order quantity, maximum order quantity, stock alert, is refundable, and other information. To add description, click on the Description tab and add your product's short description and long description. If you already set your AI settings, then you can add your description from AI by clicking on the Generate button. If you want to publish your product to other e-commerce channels, then click Ecom Platform, then click on the toggle button where you want to publish the product link: Shopify, WooCommerce, Lazada, or any other. Then click on the Submit button to add a new product. Edit product. In the Actions column of the product list, click the Edit button. Update any of the fields as needed. Save the changes to reflect updates across the system. Delete product. Locate the product in the listing. Click the Delete button in the Actions column. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up dialog. Deleted products are moved to the trash list for restoration or permanent removal. Trash Product Management. To access the trash list, click on the Trash list in the Product Management section. This displays all deleted products. To restore, click on the Restore button from the Action column, and it will be moved to the product list from this trash list. To permanently delete, click on the Delete button from the Action column, then confirm the deletion from the pop-up. It will be deleted permanently. Show product details. Click on the View Details button for a product. The detailed view includes product name, SKU, category, price, available stock, variation information, warehouse, associated barcode, brand, batch info, and many more. Download the product barcode. Locate the product in the listing. Click the Barcode button in the Actions column. The system generates a downloadable barcode for inventory tracking and scanning. To download the bulk barcode, click the checkbox on the left side of the product list, then click on the Download Barcode button. Low Stock Product List. To access the Low Stock Product List, click the Low Stock button under Product Management. It will display products where the stock has dropped below the defined threshold. Now you can create a new purchase by clicking the Add Purchase button. To export the product list, click on the Export button. It will show you the list of your desired formats. You can download it in CSV, Excel, or PDF format. To import products, click on the Import drop-down button, then click on Import. It will open a pop-up model, then select your file and click on the Submit button to import products. You can download a simple import demo file by clicking the Import drop-down button.